It is time for yet another exciting episode of
How's the market?
Where I'll get you up to date with what's happening in our housing market here in Brevard County and the Cocoa Beach area. We are seeing numbers here in Brevard County unlike anything we've seen since 2011. Our active inventory is up. We broke 5,000 properties that are on the market, and we haven't seen an inventory this high since March 2011. Another record number that we haven't seen in some time this past November, we had under 800 properties selling for the month, which is the second time in 2024 we were under that 800 threshold. And it's also the fifth time in 2024 where our sales haven't broken 1,000 sales. Our total year-to-date sales, we're trending slightly behind what we had seen through November in 2023. We're 4 to 5% behind sales of last year. And it looks like 2024 might be the slowest year we've had in sales since 2014. We'll know more after December. As expected, with inventory rising and our sales diminishing, our month supply is also growing. We broke 6 months supply of inventory here in Brevard County. It's also taken longer to sell a property. We are averaging in November over 68 days on market for a property to sell on average. But something that's interesting to point out, even though inventory's up, it's taking longer for a property to sell. 20% of our sales that happened in November happened in 7 days or less, which goes to show if a home is priced properly, you're going to get the buyer demand and should sell quickly. Another interesting trend is our average sales price and our median sales price continue to trend over the previous year's prices. So what are your thoughts about our housing market? Do I think our housing market is going to crash? Not the entire market. I do see the condo market, specifically Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral, in trouble. Our inventory beach side took a spike. It rose significantly in March and April compared to other trends that I've seen in the past. And based upon that, I really anticipated seeing our active inventory well over 300 by the end of 2024. Didn't quite happen. Inventory actually pulled back during the summer, but it's spiking again here in November of 2024. Part of the reason for this spike is average to flat sales during the summer and then exceptionally slow sales for October and November. Both of these months, we only had 21 condos sell for each month. This puts our active condo inventory to well over a year's supply, over 12 months supply of condos on the market today in Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral, which it's no surprise with higher inventory and exceptionally lower sales that it's taking longer for a property to sell. Our average days on market is over 97 days for a condo to sell. Median sales prices are trending down. We're down 11% from last November, and the average sales price is down 23% from last November. It will not surprise me at all if we start 2025 with a continued trend of rising inventory in the condo market, slow to flat sales in the condo market, and prices continuing to trend down as well. So condo market in the new year, I'm really not anticipating much that's going to be happening, but our overall housing market as we leave 2024 and enter into 2025, I see some of the trends continuing. December, January, and February will more than likely be flatter months where sales will be under 1,000 for each month. But then come March, that's when our spring market really kicks in here. I anticipate March being much more active than the last 5 months of sales. And I see this high demand continue through our summer months. And our overall sales for 2025, we're going to know after seeing the March and April sales, what kind of numbers we have. That'll be the benchmark of what to expect in our new year. We are fortunate here in Brevard County, also known as the Space Coast, that we have jobs and people moving here for employment thanks to everything that's happening at the north end of town at the Kennedy Space Center. And then at the south end of town, we've got the government contractor / aerospace jobs that are also bringing people into Brevard County too. Buyers are getting more comfortable with our new normal interest rates in the 6% range, realizing that the low 2, 3, and 4% that we had seen during the 2020s and earlier. Our interest rate has been in the 6% for the last several years, and there's no indication that that's changing. If you are planning to move here in the upcoming months, I hope this information helps. Of course, if you have questions about your upcoming move, I am here to help as well. This QR code will take you to my calendar if you'd like to schedule an appointment there, and I'll have all my contact information below. My name's Eric Larkin with Real Brokers. I appreciate you tuning in, and I'll see you on the next show.